Hello everyone, welcome back to the Lumise tutorials add-on Printful series. Lumise here, and in these short videos, I will guide you through how to complete your customer order with Printful. Before we dive in, keep in mind that Printful only receives the order made with a Printful product base. Orders cannot go through the Printful system. Here's the sample product that I have made with a Printful product base in the previous videos. If you don't know how, make sure to check it out. Now we are going ahead to customize it, then check out as usual customer. Once your customer places an order, you will immediately receive a new order in your Printful account. To check it, go to Orders and click to the first one, which is always the earliest orders. Here you will find the order breakdown, including subtotal, shipping, and total. Click on Confirm to come to the next step. In this step, you will need to review your customer order one more time and come to the payment part. You need to pay upfront your customer orders, and there are two methods that you can use, which are PayPal and payment cards. After you finish, hit on Pay Secure Now to complete your customer order. And now you are on set. Thank you for watching. Don't feel hesitate to ask any question in the comment section. And I will see you in the next videos.